Welcome to Doll TV. Today we are unboxing the Hello, My Name is Raya doll. Let's get started. She's halfway out of the box and you can see how many cute accessories she has. Her hair is a beautiful blonde color. Her makeup is bright yellow eyeshadow and vibrant pink lips. Her shirt is yellow with a smiley face that has eyelashes, and her sleeves have black ribbon around them. Her skirt is really cute. At the waist, it is bright pink with a bow. Her shoes are amazing. The top of her shoes look like a sesame seed bun, the middle looks like lettuce, and the bottom looks like a picnic basket. Now let's talk about her awesome accessories. She has a bright yellow brush in the shape of lips. I also love her pink honeycomb earrings. She has two pink bracelets. My favorite accessory is her pink flamingo necklace. She has a cute yellow phone and a white tablet. She also has an adorable bumblebee purse. It opens so you can store her accessories in it. Stay tuned for the hashtag #BU fashion show. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my Bratz playlist. I've reviewed a lot of the new 2015 Bratz dolls.